Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 ways to make money in 2023. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or launch a full-time business, there are plenty of opportunities to earn income in the coming year. So, if you're interested in making money in 2023, keep watching. The first way to make money in 2023 is through the gig economy. With more and more people looking for flexible work arrangements, there are many opportunities to earn money on platforms like Uber, Lyft, and TaskRabbit. By providing services like driving, cleaning, or running errands, you can earn money on your own schedule. Another way to make money in 2023 is through e-commerce. With the rise of online shopping, there's never been a better time to start your own online store. Whether you're selling your own products or dropshipping, the potential for profits is significant. The third way to make money in 2023 is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. By partnering with companies in your niche, you can earn a significant income through affiliate marketing. The fourth way to make money in 2023 is through digital products. Whether you're selling an online course, an e-book, or software, there's a huge market for digital products. With low overhead costs, creating and selling digital products can be a lucrative business. Finally, another way to make money in 2023 is through real estate investing. With the housing market expected to remain strong, investing in rental properties or flipping houses can provide significant returns. While real estate investing does require a larger initial investment, the potential for profits is significant. So, there you have it, the top 5 ways to make money in 2023. While each of these methods requires hard work and dedication, the potential for profits is significant. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or launch a full-time business, there's an option for everyone. It's important to note that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to making money. The best option for you will depend on your skills, interests, and resources. It's essential to do your research and choose the method that's right for you. In addition to these 5 methods, there are many other ways to make money in 2023. From freelance writing to consulting, there are endless opportunities for those willing to put in the effort. Regardless of the method you choose, it's essential to have a plan in place. Setting goals and creating a roadmap for success is crucial to achieving financial success in 2023. It's also important to stay up to date on the latest trends and changes in your chosen industry. By staying informed and adapting to changes, you can stay ahead of the competition and continue to grow your business. Remember, making money is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes hard work, dedication, and perseverance. But with the right mindset and the right strategies, you can achieve financial success in 2023. So, whether you're looking to make a few extra bucks or launch a full-time business, the opportunities are endless. With the right mindset and a willingness to work hard, you can achieve your financial goals in 2023. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful in your quest to make money in 2023. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Thanks for watching this video about the top trends and strategies to make money in 2023. If you found this video informative and useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more great content like this. Your support helps me to continue creating videos and sharing my knowledge with you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest uploads. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.